Today I am making a very easy and healthy sugar-free energy snack. You can make this in just 15 minutes. This sweet is quite common in India, but they add a lot of ghee to it. So let's see how to make it in a healthy way. For this energy snack, take 2 cups of dates. Let's remove the seeds from the dates. Always make sure to check for black mold when you remove the seeds. I'm not sure if you can see clearly in this video, but there is black powdery mold in this, so I'll discard this date. Now we have our dates ready. Next, add half a cup of sesame seeds to a pan and roast it in medium heat. You just have to roast it until it is warm enough. Transfer this to a bowl and set this aside for now. To the same pan, add just 1 teaspoon of ghee. Add 1 cup of mixed nuts. I crushed a mix of almonds, cashews, walnuts and pistachios. Roast them on medium flame until you get a nice aroma. Then add the dates to the pan. Also make sure to reduce the flame at this point. If you have watched this far, will you please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to my channel. That will really help my channel grow. You will notice the dates gradually turn soft and mushy. Since we did not add much ghee, you need to slowly break down the dates like I do it here so that it gets sticky and mixes well with the nuts. After a few minutes, you will notice that it turns into a dough consistency. At this point, switch off the stove. Then take a plate and grease it completely by adding just 1 teaspoon of ghee. Now transfer the nut mixture and let it cool down a bit. While it is still warm, use your hands to mix it slowly. I have divided into 2 portions. Roll it between your palms to get the desired shape. Next, take a plastic wrap or a baking sheet. Add some sesame seeds and roll the mixture a few times. Wrap this tight and freeze it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take it out and use a knife to cut it in slices. This is very tasty and this will definitely be a huge hit at your home. You can store this in the refrigerator and use it for 2 weeks. Please check out my other recipes shown here on this video. Thanks for watching.